Today we are going to look at the types of marketing we have. This type of marketing, we are going to look at them as to give us clue to understand the dynamism or the dynamic nature of marketing and how it is divided into so many categories with the introduction of technology. Now, there are about 50 different types of marketing that we are going to discuss today. But first of all, I have to mention them for us to take note of each and every one of them. Now, take note that each of these marketing fields can be a side hustle for each and every one of us. Take, for example, you may specialize in one, and of course, you can earn a living out of it. Take, for example, the first one we are going to discuss is accounting-based marketing. Accounting-based marketing. Now, this is a type of marketing which purely is dealing with customers' account based on marketing point of view. Then we have the second one. We have affiliate marketing. Number 3, we have the acquisition marketing. Number 4, we have brand marketing. Number 5, we have buzz or commuter marketing. Number 6, we have buzz marketing. B-U-Z-Z marketing. Then number 6, as we said, buzz marketing. Then number 7, we have campus marketing. Number 8, we have content marketing. Number 9, we have contextual marketing. Number 10, we have conversational marketing. Number 11, we have course marketing. Course marketing. Number 12, we have customer marketing. 13, digital marketing. 14, do marketing. D-O-O-H marketing. That is digital out of home marketing. Number 15, we have email marketing. Number 16, we have events marketing. Number 17, we have experiential marketing. Number 18, we have field marketing. Number 19, we have global marketing. Number 20, we have guerrilla marketing. '21, idea marketing. 22, informative marketing. 23, inbound marketing. 24, influencer marketing. 25, interactive marketing. 26, international marketing. 27, mobile marketing. 28, multicultural marketing. 29, native marketing. 30, neuro marketing. Number 31, outbound marketing. 32. Partner marketing. 33. Personalized marketing. 34. Persuasive marketing. 35. Place marketing. 36. Political marketing, or otherwise you call it person marketing. Number 37. Product marketing. Number 38. Proximity marketing. Number 39. Relationship marketing. Number 40. Search engine marketing. 41. Service marketing. 42. Social media marketing. 43. Stealth marketing. 44. Tourism marketing. 45. We have traditional marketing. 46. User-generated marketing. 47. Video marketing. 48. Voice marketing. 49. Islamic marketing. 50. Word of mouth marketing. These are the 50 different types of marketing that you can use them as a platform, use them as a side hustle, use them as a profession in order to earn a living. And I will see you in the next lectures when we are going to discuss in full. If you have any question, write it down in the comment below. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share our videos so that other students elsewhere can have access to our videos.